Hello everyone, in this video I am covering below topics. Number 1, what is user experience design? Number 2, what is user experience process? And the 3 is user experience design example. Let's talk about what is user experience design. User experience design nothing but creating product that providing meaningful and relevant experience to the user. The product should be easy to use and easy to accessible, and it must solve the problem of users. Let's talk about what is UX process. While creating any UX design, I would follow 5 steps of UX process. Number 1, business goals. Number 2, user research. And number 3, sketches. Number 4, designs. And number 5, implement and launch. Reason for doing business research is it helps to increase sale on online conversion, it reduces customer dissatisfaction, and it improves brand perception. Reason for doing user research is to create designs that are truly relevant to your users, to create designs that are easy and pleasurable to use. Through sketches, we can come up with many ideas to solve the user problems, like creating crazy ideas with sitemaps, information architecture, and wireframes. In the design phase, we have to create the visual designs to the actual product by using images, colors, fonts, and other graphics, then creating prototype and sharing with the actual users for usability testing. Then we have to launch the product. This is what UX process. Now I will show one of my UX case study. Format to write effective case study. I followed this format while creating my application UX case study. Just go through it. Yes, this is what I would like to showcase now. The application called Employee Self Services Mobile App. This mobile app allows administrative tasks like applying for leave, reviewing for timesheet, inquiry about available loan programs, requesting for overtime payment, viewing of compensation history, and submitting of reimbursement slips. These many services user can get from this application. The main requirement is creating product that accessible anywhere, anytime in a convenient and user-friendly manner. The challenges are the overall user experience is not user-friendly and other challenges are there. The main features are login, register, news, and offers, time gallery, recruitment, and absence services. I focused on absence services in this case study. How to view the leave balances, how to apply for leave, how to cancel the leave, and how to see the holiday calendar. And this is what UI UX design process I have done while creating these designs. Then after done with the business research, then I worked on user research, that is qualitative research, and I asked a few questions to the users. Then after done with the user research, I have created wireframes with some ideation, and after done with the wireframes, I have created final product design, final product visual designs. See the look and feel, and I created with user-friendly manner. Just go through it. You can find this case study in my Behance portfolio as well. After done with these visual designs, I have created clickable prototype to make usability testing. Then these are my usability testing questions and the final conclusion. This is what I have created for ESS portal.